Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? So today I have created a festive look. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with the toner and the toner is from Good Vibes. Next I'm applying a Rosehip oil from Good Vibes and apply it all over my skin. Next I'm applying a moisturizer from Lotus. Toning and moisturizing your skin is very important before makeup. Make sure you prepare your skin before doing any kind of a makeup. Apply your moisturizer gently all over your face. After that, here I'm using a concealer from Maybelline and I'm using the concealer on my lids. Blend properly. Next, here I'm using a banana powder to set my concealer. For the eye makeup today I will use Jacklin Hill palette, and here I'm taking a light brown shade and just applying the shade on my crease line. After that, from the palette of Revlon, here I'm using a golden shimmer color. Applying the golden shimmer on my lids like a cut crease, like from the inner corner of my eye till the middle section. After that, here I'm using a deep brown color and just applying it on the outer corner of my eyes. Okay, next with the help of a blending brush, I'm going to blend the deep brown color with the golden one. Next, I'm applying a eyeliner, and the eyeliner is from Quirky. I will make a wing liner today. If you guys want a separate video on how to apply wing liner properly, then do let me know in the comment section. Okay, now for the foundation, here I'm using a foundation from Maybelline. Here I'm blending my foundation evenly. Okay, next here I'm using the same concealer on my nose, forehead, cupid's bow. Blending your concealer is very important, otherwise it will look cakey. So we always need to blend out everything evenly. Next I'm going to contour my face, and for contouring my face, here I'm using a contour palette from Sugar. I'm contouring my nose also. Next I'm using the same banana powder to bake my face. I'm using the powder on the highest point of my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline. Next, I'm dusting my powder off. After that, here I'm using a blush from the Revlon palette. I'm applying a pinkish shimmery kind of a blush today, and you can see the glow. For the highlighter, here I'm using a golden highlighter from the same Revlon palette. I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbones, forehead, center of my nose, cupid's bow, and also on the brow bone to give a highlighting effect on those areas. Next, I'm using a kajal to line my waterline. Next, I use a deep brown color to blend my kajal. To fix my makeup here, I'm using a makeup fixer. This makeup fixer is from Swiss Beauty. Next, for the lipstick here, I'm using the lipstick from Maybelline. And our festive look makeup is done. Wait for the final look. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. Love you all.